use and their families, affecting the prices of our petroleum products, energy, food prices, transport, and displacing millions of Filipinos, the agencies will not act with urgency. And so that is what I put on the table. And what I would like to hear, Mr. Chair, is magkano ang pondong available? Hindi promise, ha? Hindi saro na walang NCA. From continuing appropriations in GAA 2025, and how much was appropriated? Because, of course, we did not know there was going to be a crisis of soft, meaning assistance to fisher folks and farmers, contingency fund. The NDREAM fund can be used. Hindi naman yan lang sa bagyo. Yan ay pwede rin gamitin. But if we have appropriated it in GAA 2026, may pera na ba? And I know we don't have money yet because even DPWH projects are all FLR. So DBM must explain that as well. So every agency, whether agriculture or DMW or DOE, DOLE, yes. How do we cushion the impact?